Hey guys, Blake from DataSpark here. I'm super excited to do a little tutorial on our wholesale analysis sheet. It is finally here. It is super scrappy. It is totally a beta product, but we're just excited to get something out there for you guys to use to do bulk analysis on your wholesale catalogs. So if you come here, this is our resources page on our website. If you are at the home page and you come to features, you can come down to resources. Choose resources and it'll take you to this page right here. The wholesale catalog analysis tool is down here at the bottom. And if you just click this blue link right here, it'll start downloading the file for you. It'll look something like this. What you're going to want to do is click on this blue box right here. And when you click on that, it'll open up your account information. All you need to do is copy your API key. Once it's copied, you paste it right here into this box. And once that's pasted in, you click check tokens and you're good to go. So once your API key is set up, you come over to this section right here, the wholesale analysis sheet. You open it up and this is what you're looking at. So right off the bat, you can see we have our column for UPC codes, our column for product titles, our column for sourcing costs, and a column for retail prices. So these are going to be your main inputs that you bring from your wholesale catalog. You paste into these columns. Once those are pasted in, all you're going to need to do is click run, this orange button at the top, and the sheet will do all the work for you. It's going to run, it's going to pull in all sorts of Walmart data, all sorts of insights, and those are going to provide so much value to your business. To kind of show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, I already ran off a sheet with about 300 or so UPC codes from one of our wholesale catalogs that we have on hand. We can go through that sheet now and kind of see exactly how you can manipulate the data within the sheet to your advantage so you can find awesome net profit opportunities, awesome ROI, all these things that you need to see product by product on your wholesale catalogs. So as you can see, here's the sheet that I ran off. As I said, it was about 300 UPC codes. If there are data in these rows, that means that we found a UPC match within our database and that there is a listing on Walmart.com already for that product. Right away, you can see there are lots of products from this catalog that are already on Walmart, and we have insights on those so we can know exactly how they're selling, what kind of competition is there, etc. You can see the Walmart sales estimate by unit in the past 30 days. You can see the overall sales estimate revenue in the past 30 days. You can see how many reviews that product has on Walmart.com, how many players are in the buy box right now. You can see how often Walmart is winning that buy box, and this is the brand associated with that product. Once you have all your inputs inserted and the sheet has run, you can go all the way over to the far right and immediately start looking at net profit and ROI on each of those products. So at first glance, we can come down and we can see the net profit on each item from the catalog. Right now, this is only showing net profit based on the Walmart 30-day average price. So if there was a UPC code match within our database, we have the 30-day price right here, and it is showing the net profit right here in this column for that. If you don't want to use the 30-day average price, you're able to come in here and you can change what you're calculating all of these profits and sales with to the current price. So this is now calculating net profit and ROI with the current price on Walmart for that product. Or if you guys just want to see what the profit potential is for all the products in the entire catalog, you can do that by the retail price. So this is now calculating all these profit and sales numbers with the retail price from this column. So you'll be able to go through and you can see what the net profit will be, what the ROI will be product by product throughout the entire catalog for all the UPCs that you put in there, even if they aren't already on Walmart. Now we know that when you're running a wholesale model, there are all sorts of other costs involved. So if you come over to your optional inputs, you are able to include things like fulfillment costs, marketing costs, prep costs, all these different things. As you go down the columns, you can put those individually into each cell. Or we've also made it so that if you have a general shipping cost or a general marketing cost per product, you can insert that at the top, and whatever you insert at the top of the page will automatically fill that entire column. We've also built in all the logic for Walmart Fulfillment Services to calculate exactly what your WFS costs are going to be if you have weight, height, length, and width. Another cool thing that we've built into the sheet is that the Walmart fee is already calculated into the net profit. In other words, when we find a product in your catalog that has a UPC code match already on Walmart, we take that category ID, we put it directly into this sheet, and we calculate what that Walmart fee will be. If there is no UPC code match, we put a default fee of 15%. Of course, you're able to filter all of the data and information in this spreadsheet by any column of your choosing. Another cool thing you can do with the sheet is you can decide exactly what method of fulfillment you would like to use in your calculation for the net profit. If we choose shipping, then that number will automatically be used in the calculation for our net profit and our ROI. The same is the case if you choose to do Walmart Fulfillment Services. You'll also notice a plus icon up here at the top. When you just select this, it will extend out other fields where you can include information from your wholesale catalog or supplier list. The last thing that I want to show you guys is all the way over here on the far right side. These columns here will show you your estimated 30-day sales in revenue and net profit. These sales estimates are based on three things. The first is our own 30-day period sales estimate that we have in these columns here. The second is the price that you choose to sell that product at. And the third is the estimated percentage of time you will be winning the buy box. To show you what I mean, right now, it is estimated that for this product, I will sell $12,356 over the next 30-day period. That is at the Walmart current price using the sales estimate that we have here, and that is winning the buy box 100% of the time. If I only think I'm going to win that product 50% of the time, I come up to this cell, I put in 50%, and that automatically changes what my revenue will be and what the net profit will be over that 30-day period. We hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions about any of our tools, please reach out. We would love to chat with you and hear your feedback. Until next time, what's my outro?